Gemini Ghost Mannequin Photography. Here I'm going to show you how to create studio quality ghost manicure photos with Gemini AI. Here, watch the end to know everything. Now here I'm going to channel it based on fashion. I'm going to use it to create a ghost manicure fashion graphics which you can use in any product. Now to do it here, first make sure you have snapped the fashion clothes which you want to do the ghost manicure. As you can see on the screen, now here to do it, what you do now here is to, now here I'm using smartphone, but you can use desktop to do it. Now here what you do here is to upload the photo or copy and paste the photo based on the device you are using. Now here I'll upload the photo because I'm using smartphone by clicking this plus icon here and then go to gallery here. First we will try it on men dress and then on women fashion dress. Here like this, here I'll click on this one and then click on done. Now here paste this prompt here. Now here you can see the prompt I paste here. Just paste this prompt which you can find in the description section. Now here there is a few things we customize in this prompt. Here you can see the aspect ratio section here. You can change the aspect ratio, which is the dimension you want the frame to be, like this. You can see the dimension I put it 4:1. Here on this body type you will change it either men or women. Now here I will change it to men because it's men fashion dress which I want to turn into ghost manicure. Here men. Now here also in the angle section, here you can see camera angle. Here you will write the camera angle you want it to be. Here I will put it side view. You can see the camera angles on the screen. You can add it here. Here I will add it. Now here I will type side angle. Now here after editing the prompt to the perfect way you want it here, what you do now is to select here, click on this icon here, select create images here, and here on thinking, here select it in thinking or pro. The best is either think or pro. Here I will use thinking. Now here send it by clicking this icon here. Now here wait for it to create the ghost mannequin here, which you can use to sell your product online. Now also here also you can see background. You can also change the background to any color you want the background to be. You can see the ghost manicure here. You can see how it creates it. Based on the picture, you can see. You can also try it on women dress. Let's try it on women dress and know how it will look. Let me upload the picture by clicking this icon here and then click on gallery and then select it like this and then click on done and then paste the prompt here. Now here we edit it as the previous one by changing the aspect ratio here, which is the dimension, and also the body type to women, and also the camera angle to side view to side angle. And also here by sliding down here you see the background, and also here change the background to white, to any color you like, white, black, any color. Here I will leave it on white. Now after editing it, what you do is to send it here by clicking this icon here and then wait for it to do its work. You can see it have created the ghost manicure here. You can see here Here you can see the fashion clothes. Here you can see the ghost manicure graphics here. And also, if you want to keep using the prompt without going out, without pasting the prompt, what you do here is to click on this icon here and then click on explore gens here. Now here click on your gens. Now here click on here web here. It will take you to the web section, the Gemini web section. Now here enter the gens name. Now here I will type it studio quality ghost mannequin. You can see. Now here click on save. Now here also in instruction here. Now here also in instruction. Now here paste the prompt here and then customize the instruction here. Let me change the background first. And here also in the aspect ratio, you edit it. Just repeat process. Camera angle, change it to any camera angle you want it to be. And also here in body type, type the body type. And also in aspect ratio, change the aspect ratio. Now here, after editing it, here on the description, describe what you want. Now here, after customizing it, what you do is just click on update here. And then here you can check it based on preview. Now go back by clicking your back navigation. Now here, after creating the gen, what you do now is to click on it like this. It will bring you here. Now upload the picture or the photo. And here click on the picture to upload it and then click on done. Here as you can see it is loading. Now here what you do now is to send it here like this and then wait for the result. Now here you can see the studio quality manicure. Here you can see it here. You can see also the picture. You can see also the photo I snap which I uploaded here. You can see it here. You can see it creates exactly without no mistake. Now if you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up, like, subscribe and click on the bell icon for more helpful tech tutorial. And if you have any question, leave it at the comment section. I will do so to reply you. Check out the playlist on the stream in order to know everything on Gemini AI. See you on the next update. Peace.